Trump executive Allen Weisselberg gets 5-month jail sentence. Allen Weisselberg, a longtime executive for Donald Trump's business empire, was taken into custody Tuesday to begin serving a 5-month jail term for dodging taxes on $1.7 million in job perks, a punishment the judge who sentenced him said was probably too lenient for a case driven entirely by greed. Weisselberg, 75, was promised the short sentence in August when he agreed to plead guilty to 15 tax crimes and to be a witness against the Trump Organization, where he worked since the mid-1980s. His testimony helped convict the former president's company, where he had served as chief financial officer, of tax fraud. But when he made the sentence official Tuesday, Judge Juan Manuel Merchan said that after listening to Weisselberg's trial testimony, he regretted that the penalty wasn't tougher. He said he was especially appalled by testimony that Weisselberg gave his wife a $6,000 check for a no-show job so that she could qualify for Social Security benefits. Had he not already promised to give Weisselberg 5 months, Merchan said, I would be imposing a sentence much greater than that. I'm not going to deviate from the promise, though I believe a stiffer sentence is warranted, having heard the evidence, he added. Weisselberg, who came to court dressed for jail rather than in his usual suit, was handcuffed and taken away by court officers moments after the sentence was announced. He was taken to New York City's notorious Rikers Island complex, where he was expected to be housed in an infirmary unit. He will be eligible for release after little more than 3 months if he behaves behind bars. Weisselberg's sentencing also marked the end of his career at the Trump Organization, where he had been on leave since the fall, continuing to make $1.14 million in salary and bonuses, even as he was testifying against the company. His lawyer, Nicholas Gravanti, said that as of Tuesday, the executive and the company have amicably parted ways. As part of the plea agreement, Weisselberg was required to pay nearly $2 million in back taxes, penalties, and interest, which prosecutors said he has done. Prosecutors recommended a 6-month jail sentence, but Merchan said he settled on 5 months, in part because of mitigating factors, such as Weisselberg's military service and stint as a public school teacher. In addition, Merchan ordered Weisselberg to complete 5 years of probation after his leaves jail.